I received this for free. How's it going? This is the HAMPBACK MK-0 electric drum set. This is a really good entry-level beginner drum set for all ages, kids and adults alike. It comes with 12 different kit sounds, all of which have a unique style to them. One snare, 3 toms, ride, crash, hi-hat, as well as a kick pedal and a hi-hat pedal as well. You do get a pair of headphones, which are pretty decent for what they are. I had pretty low expectations in that regard, but no, it's pretty good. They're pretty decent and have a nice long cable. Doesn't get in the way at all. This thing is dead silent as well. It can fit a full-grown adult, or the legs are actually adjustable, so you can lower it and you can adjust the width. You can adjust every single drum head on here thanks to the provided T key. So you can loosen up, say, the snare drum and move it in or out on the rack here. Very, very easy to adjust. I can only count about 3 different velocity layers, which basically means levels of volume. When you play, you basically get super loud and super quiet, and that's really all there is. I wish it had more in between velocity layers. That being my only complaint, I think that's great. That is very good, and it's, especially if you're a beginner, it's not that big of a deal at all. There is a built-in metronome, which of course you can set to any tempo, and you can change the meter, and then there is a built-in song bank. That is nice, so you can actually turn on a song, learn what the drum part is, and try to play along with it. I think that's really cute. I think that's really nice. For inputs, you get a headphone jack. You have 2 normal outputs. If you want to plug this into a recorder or an audio interface and record just the raw sound from the drum set, you can. That's nice. And on top of that, it also has a MIDI output as well. It doesn't come with the cable for this, but you can very easily get one of these on Amazon for super cheap. If you make music, you can plug this into your computer via USB and use this as a MIDI controller for your VST drum libraries. Nice and cheap option for composing music that I'm all about. I love that. So yeah, this is great. Very good beginner kit. I love it. Definitely worth checking out.